These are SilverSilk's custom end caps. End caps are the perfect solution for cleanly finishing off your SilverSilk chains, giving your jewelry a professional look while ensuring that your design stays secure. SilverSilk end caps boast unmatched quality, achieved through applying 5 layers of metal plating and come in 6 unique finishes: high-polished silver, dark rhodium, brilliant gold, antique gold, bright copper, and antique copper. And they come in 3 different styles: single strand, double strand, and triple strand. Each SilverSilk end cap channel is aligned with special grooves to grip the ball chain inside the Capture and Pearlesque chains, but they also work well with our leather knitted chain and pipe chain. To use the end caps, first grab a set of wide nose pliers with a protective coating on the plier tips. Take the end of your SilverSilk chain and insert it into the opening of the end cap. Then, gently press the end cap over the chain. Check the seam to make sure it's fully closed and tug on the chain to make sure it won't slip out. Once your end cap is secured, you can easily attach a jump ring, clasp, beads, and baubles to either embellish or complete your design. We hope you'll give our end caps a try because we know it'll elevate your jewelry to the next level.